Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing baked barbecue chicken you've ever had. They're perfectly tender on the inside and golden on the outside. I've been keeping this recipe a secret for a very long time, but now I've decided to share it with you. Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making baked barbecue chicken thighs. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees. You will need 2 pounds of chicken thighs, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a small bowl, combine your paprika and garlic powder. Now add your onion powder, black pepper, and salt, then whisk until well combined. Make sure your chicken has been cleaned and dried, then season with your seasoning mixture. Pour your butter into your baking pan, then add your thighs. Did you know Soul Food Cooking has a free app? If you would like written instructions for this recipe and all of my recipes, please download the app. You can find the details on how to get the app in the description below. Transfer your pan to the oven that has been preheated to 300 degrees and allow it to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove your pan from the oven, then cover with foil. Return your pan to the oven and allow it to cook for an additional 45 minutes. In a bowl, combine your barbecue sauce, honey, and soy sauce, then mix until well combined. After 45 minutes, remove your chicken from the oven, place your thighs on a wire rack, then coat them with your barbecue sauce. Place your rack in the oven, then allow your thighs to cook until your barbecue sauce has caramelized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.